Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. A liter of 87 gasoline will sell for $1.77 more. $1.75 will be added to the price of 90 gasoline. It will cost $1.71 more for automotive diesel, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $1.69. The price of kerosene will go up by $1.76. Propane will cost $1.99 more, while butane will increase by $1.38. The EXIM Bank is partnering with JMMB Bank to provide over $300 million in a loan guarantee initiative to small and medium-sized enterprises. The entities launched the initiative today. For many small businesses, finding collateral to secure financing is a challenge. That's why the EXIM Bank and the JMMB Bank are partnering to simplify the process.
The Export Guarantee Program is geared at assisting qualified SMEs to benefit from working capital loan facilities offered by JMMB, and that will be secured by an 80% guarantee by the EXIM Bank. A game changer for exporters seeking new markets.
CEO of JMMB Bank, Jerome Smalling, says he expects the initiative will help create more SMEs and spur economic growth.
The partnership with EXIM Bank represents another step by JMMB to further facilitate SMEs and enable them to access more affordable financing solutions and to access funds even in the absence of collateral, which will give these SMEs the opportunity to realize their own objectives.
Managing Director at EXIM Bank, Lisa Bell, says she has plans for other partnerships which will see initiatives like this one being facilitated at the regional level.
We're hoping to be able in the near future to be able to partner with a regional organization in providing grants to SMEs for building capacity. And I said that word again, grants.
In currency trading, the US dollar is selling for $149.29. The Canadian dollar sold for $125.92. The pound is going for $212.23, while the euro closed at $184.97. The JSE index lost 199 points today, while the junior market index gained 15 points. Among the winners were Sterling Investments, Express Catering, Palace Amusement, Jamaica Broilers Group, and Kingston Properties. Now on the losing side were Margaritaville Turks, SSL Venture Capital, Dolphin Cove, iCreate, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Lately. Good evening.